It's in the lights in New York, the hills of LA. Everybody got their own honky-tonk way. Down to Carolina and up to
Oh no, Callum, what's the matter? Why are you crying?
Oh happy my little green grape ice cream, thank goodness you are here. I am crying because people cut ties with me, all because of my anger issues, or the fact I said things I never actually meant at all, or even things I wasn't actually going to do at all. I can't tolerate my anger anymore longer.
Oh Callum, don't feel bad, you just made a small mistake under that. It's okay, we all make mistakes under, plus none of that is your fault, you just got angry under it. It's okay to feel that way. Is it okay if I please sit with you?
Yes.
Shush it, it's okay Callum, you are still always loved and you are still always forgiven. No matter how red you get, love is always going to be inside you and all around you, and you are always going to have heaven. It's light on every inch on your body, on the inside and on the outside, and love is also going to gain within your heavenly heart from you to your soul and beyond, and everyone is going to love, adore and care about you from earth to heaven and beyond.
Six hours later.
Oh, I am all done crying now. Thank you, Happy, for comforting me while I calm down or stop crying.
You are always very welcome, pal. That's always what I am here for, to comfort others who need comfort. Come here, Callum, I want you to have a hug.
Six hours later. Six hours later.
Oh, I am feeling better now. Thank you, Happy, for helping me realize that I am extremely important.
You can thank me as long as you're like, cause like I said, you are always very welcome, my sweet guy. Hey Callum, I know what else will comfort you and cheer you up. We can go see Adam and the Adamantiums and make some jelly with them and have some tea bag coffee to go with it, and we can even invite Sarah, Matthew, Diggy, Annie, Darren, Dean, Addison, Bin, Penelope, Evely, Justin, Sarah, Allison and Mary. How does that sound? It will cheer you up.
Oh yes, jelly or tea-bagged coffee will definitely make me feel better, or I'd love to see my friends as well. I feel a lot more better in myself knowing that I have you, Adam, Annie, Dean, Darren, Addison, Bin, Navya, Berna, or even Kelly in my life. Thank you so much, Happy.
I am glad it makes you happy. Call, come on, let's go see them right now.
Wait, Happy, before I have a question. Do you think I should get therapy?
I think it's a good idea. I will also invite the Fireheart girls to join us and ask them about going with you, and then I will call Dr. Phil to schedule you a therapy session. Now come on, let's go cheer you up with that jelly and tea bag coffee.
Ok.
The next day.
Don't worry, Callum, it's okay, just stay calm and Dr. Phil will help you.
Ok, Navya, I appreciate you, Berna, or the other 4 Fireheart girls going with me.
It's always our pleasure, Callum. That's what good friends are for.
Callum Rockley, please report to the therapy room at once. I will see you shortly.
Well girls, it looks like they need me right now. I will see you girls in a bit.
OK, good luck, Callum. We wish you some very good luck till you are all done.
A few moments later.
Thank you for coming to see me, Callum Rockleary. We got a very serious and a special situation with you, which is why I have little Whittle Enid to be my assistant today. She is a part-time assistant of mine for a permanent time to help the owner, as that height very really need it.
That's right, drive. Fill her me so I can help him comfort people who are sad, depressed, mad or are crying mew mew.
Okay, so Callum, care to tell us what has been going on recently?
I've been pretty decent. I've had my moments, but things were like somewhat in the clear.
Well, okay, that seems like a clear but fair explanation, but I did hear from Happy that you have been experiencing lots of anger and outbursts. Is all of that true? Please answer me truthfully.
Yes, to tell you the truth, yes, I have been super mega angry recently. I've been saying things I didn't mean or such things that I was not actually going to do at all, or because of this people have started to hate me or cut ties with me all because of this. After people started to hate me, I highly do regret my actions big time. Nobody understands me at all. Only Navya, Berna, Iggy, Rishavna, Loiskini, Ashina, Sherin, Raven or Austin care about me. Why can't things be happy for me? I just can't take this potacketing funneling bullshohe anymore. I just clucking can't.
I can see you restarting to cry and feel depressed. Would you like me to come over and comfort you?
Yes.
Shush it, it's okay, Callum. You are loved. Love is all around you and inside you, from your heart to your soul to beyond. Everyone will always love and care about you from earth to heaven. No matter how red you get, just take your time and cry as long as you need and cry as long as you want. The rain inside you is what needs to come out of you so you can feel better.
6 hours later.
I am all done crying now. Thank you, Dr. Phil, for comforting me while I cry all this rain out of me.
You welcome, Callum. Now come here. I want you to have a really big warm owly hug.
Six hours later.
Hey Callum, I have jelly and a tea bag coffee in the therapy lounge. Would you like some to cheer you up?
Sure, tea-bagged coffee might actually make me feel better.
Okay, wait here with Enid while I go get you some.
Don't worry, Callum, I will take good care of you, Mew Mew. Would you like me to cuddle you till he gets back?
Yes, I would very much love that, Enid, my cute little macaroni cheesecake.
6 hours later.
Here Callum, we have a black and orange aesthetic jelly and a tea bag coffee brewed for you.
A few moments later.
So Callum, how was your jelly?
It was great actually. I always love a good jelly.
Okay, that is good, but here I also got you a tissue and a hanky so you can blow your nose.
Okay, I am feeling better now. The tea bagged coffee or the comfort really cheered me up.
You are always very welcome, Callum. Now, do you think you found your happy place?
Yes, I think I did. Between you, Enid, or the Fireheart girls, I realized how much I'm loved no matter how angry I get, or I will do my very extra best to keep my anger under control.
That's my good boy. And hey, Callum, since you are no longer going to use your channel, I think you should be a new co-host on Burner's channel. She can have as many co-hosts in her channel as she wants or needs because it's her channel.
Ok, I would actually love to be her co-host. She has also been feeling sad ever since Tuesday because of how much I've been hated or that my channel has been archived forever, so I think I should give in or be her co-host. Of that might make her feel better.
That's exactly what I'd like to hear. Now have one more hug from me and Enid before you go, and remember to be calm.
Six hours later. 6 hours later. 6 hours later. 6 hours later. 'Later.
Hey Gui Imberna.
I'm cute.
I am Dylan.
Why soy Anthony?
As you Gui already know, I have quite a full co-host on my channel. I don't mean that at all. Chaos more is better than Eden. As you Gui already know, I am still feeling sad because of what's going on with Eden of my fries. But anyways, let's get on because I wanna introduce you Gui to my new co-host.